Good morning students, hope you all are fine. This is your computer class. So open your Adobe Photoshop books. Students, in the last class we people have discussed to free transform, to place an image and picture package. And in the class of today we will cover page number 35 till 36 and we will cover the topics pen tool, path, segment, component and points. How to add point, how to delete an anchor point and how to convert point tool. So open your books at the page number 35. First topic we are having pen tool. Pen tool creates straight lines and smooth flowing curves. You can use pen tool in joining with the shape tool to create complex shapes. To know more about the pen tool, let us discuss its practical. We will open Adobe Photoshop. Students, here is the pen tool. We will click on the pen tool and to make the path we will click on the work area to make a first anchor point. This is my first anchor point and I want to draw a line. I will click over there to make the second anchor point. In this way, as per our requirement, we can draw any shape. To close the path we will click on the first anchor point. This is my close path shape. Clear students? Now let us discuss the steps to use pen tool. Click on start button, all program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select the pen tool. Click at the required position to define the first anchor point. Click or drag to set the anchor points for additional segments. Clear students? Now next topic we are having path, segment, components and points. We are having unselected anchor point, curve, direction point, selected anchor point and direction line. I will show you all these path, components and points with the help of practical. We will open Adobe Photoshop. We will select the pen tool. I will make the first anchor point, second anchor point and third anchor point. And from there I will hold and drag the mouse. Now students, here this is my unselected anchor point and this is my curve and these lines are my direction lines and I have selected this point, let's suppose this, and this is my selected anchor point and this is my direction point. So I hope that it is clear that what is the path, segment, components and points. Now we are having different types of points. First is the smooth point. Smooth curves are connected by anchor points called smooth points. And second we are having corner point. Sharp curved paths are connected by the corner points. Clear students? Now next topic we are having steps to add anchor point. In our shape we want to add the anchor points that we can do with the help of the next practical. I will open Adobe Photoshop. Now students, this is my shape. Now I want to add the anchor points. For that I am having add anchor point tool. I'll click over there and as per our requirement I will click on the path segment. See, my point is added. my anchor point is added wherever I have clicked. In this way, I can add my anchor point as per my requirement. Clear, students? Now let us discuss the steps to add anchor point. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select the Add Anchor Point tool. Position the pointer on the path and click at the required position on the path. Clear, students? Next topic we are having that how to delete the anchor point. We have added the anchor point. Now we want to delete the anchor points. For that, let us discuss the practical. These are the anchor points. Now I want to delete them. Now we are having delete anchor point. I'll select the delete anchor point tool, and wherever the anchor point is there, I'll click. See, the anchor point is deleted. Wherever I am clicking, my anchor point is deleted. In this way, as per our requirement, we can delete our anchor point. Now let us discuss the steps to delete anchor point. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select the Delete Anchor Point tool. Position the mouse pointer on the anchor point which you want to delete and click on the anchor point as per your requirement. In this way, we can delete the anchor points. Clear, students? Now next topic we are having that how to convert anchor point with the help of Convert Point tool. We can convert the anchor point as per our requirement. To know more about this tool, we will open Adobe Photoshop. Students, here we are having Convert Point tool. I'll click over there and see the shape of my mouse pointer, and I'll click. That point is converted. Now see, it is filled. That is converted. I want to click, then that point is converted to the anchor point. In this way, as per our requirement, we can convert anchor point with the help of Convert Point tool. Clear, students? Now let us discuss the steps to use Convert Point tool. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select the Convert Point tool. Position the mouse pointer on the anchor which you want to change and click. In this way, we can use the Convert Anchor Point tool. Now, students, in the class of today, we people have discussed how to use pen tool. We have discussed path, segment, components and points. How to add point, how to delete anchor point, and how to use Convert Point tool. Do the practical of these topics with the help of school links. Thank you so much.